Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Network of Science. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a gas detecting module. So let's get started with this project. For this project, I'm going to use a Arduino Uno, a MQ2 gas sensor, a buzzer, then jumper wires and a cable to program Arduino. Now you need to take the buzzer and connect the positive terminal of the buzzer to digital pin 11 of the Arduino. Then you need to take the ground pin of the buzzer and connect it to the ground. And in your MQ2 gas sensor, over here you will get 4 pins. The first pin, which is over here, is for VCC and the second pin is for ground. Then the last pin which we are going to use, that is the A0 pin. So we require only these 3 pins. Now connect the VCC to the 5 volts, ground to the ground and AO to the analog 5 of the Arduino. So let's connect it. So now your connections are done. Now let's program the Arduino. So we'll now move on to the computer screen. So this is the code for our project. The link for the code is in the description box below. You can click the link and download the code. Then over here I have defined the pins. So I have defined the pin analog 5, digital pin 11, digital pin 12 and digital pin 10. You can even connect the LEDs to the Arduino board on the digital pin 11 and 12. So you can connect the red LED to the digital pin 12 and the green LED to digital pin 11. Then go to tools, select the port and the board and just upload the code. Now the code has been uploaded. So let's check how it works. To test it, I'm going to use a lighter which contains gas and when you press it, the fire comes out. Yeah. So I'm going to keep the gas as plus for plus side, as you can see. Then you need to press it half. Then the gas starts releasing. So if you are a kid, please do not try it. Take the help of your parents. Now I'm going to power it up using the power bank. So we'll turn it on. Then now let's test it. As you can see, the buzzer turns on when the gas is detected. Yeah, you just need to press it half. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Then hit the like button, comment down below and share this video with everyone. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, then go hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to press the bell icon to all. And also follow me on Instagram for the latest updates of my videos. The link is in the description box below and the ID is also popping up on the screen. So meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and bye bye.